In the high-stakes world of professional photography, a silent war is being fought. It's not fought with weapons, but with pixels, processing speed, and autofocus algorithms. For years, Canon, Sony, and Nikon have been locked in a stalemate, each releasing cameras that incrementally push the boundaries of what's possible. But something shifted in early 2026. The leaks coming out of the supply chain in Japan suggest that Canon is about to drop a nuclear bomb on the competition. They aren't just releasing a new camera, they are releasing a monster. It's called the Canon EOS R3 Mark II, and I'm telling you right now, if you are a sports photographer, welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. A wildlife shooter or a filmmaker who needs absolute performance, you need to stop what you are doing. You need to put your current gear up for sale. Because everything you thought you knew about speed, autofocus, and image quality is about to become obsolete. Let's be honest, the original R3 was a revolutionary machine. It brought back eye control autofocus in a way that actually worked, and its stack sensor was blazing fast. But it was just the beginning. The R3 Mark II is being designed for a different era, the era of 9K video, AI-driven tracking that predicts the future, and a global shutter that finally eliminates the last remnant of the mechanical age. The rumors surrounding this camera aren't just technical specifications, they are a blueprint for the future of imaging. We are looking at a camera that bridges the gap between the high-resolution R5 series and the flagship R1, creating a hybrid beast that might actually be the one camera to rule them all. Think about the way you shoot. You're tracking a football player running down the sideline, or a bird taking flight in a dense forest. The biggest challenge has always been the sensor's readout speed. Even with stacked sensors, you still get a tiny bit of distortion, a slight jello effect when you're panning fast. The R3 Mark II changes that fundamentally. According to multiple trusted sources, Canon is implementing a true global shutter on this new stacked sensor. This means every single pixel on the sensor captures light at the exact same microsecond. The implications of this are staggering. It means absolutely zero distortion, no matter how fast your subject is moving. It means you can use flash at any shutter speed, opening up lighting possibilities that were previously impossible on mirrorless cameras. This is the holy grail for action shooters. But a global shutter is just one piece of the puzzle. The brain inside this camera is the rumored Digic accelerator chip, paired with a brand new Digic X processor. This combo is designed specifically to handle the massive data throughput of a 54 megapixel stacked sensor. And yes, you heard that right, 54 megapixels. The original R3 was 24 megapixels. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a resolution explosion. Canon has somehow managed to increase the resolution while actually improving the readout speed. We are looking at a burst rate of 40 frames per second at full resolution with full autofocus tracking. But it gets better. There is a low-resolution mode that drops you down to 24 megapixels but pushes the frame rate to an insane 90 frames per second. Imagine capturing a hummingbird's wing beat, or the exact moment a bullet hits a target, with full focus tracking. This is not a camera, it is a time machine. And then there is the eye control autofocus. The R3 brought it back.